Hello and salam friends. We will learn how to create colors palette. I chose some colors already. Black, red, green, blue, and cyan. And against of them, white, light red, light green, light blue. Last I chose custom color. I mean red against cyan. Pick selection tool. Select black and white color. Go to object, blend, blend options. A window will pop up. Choose specified steps in spacing. I choose 5 steps for spacing and hit OK. Again go to Object, Blend, Make. There is Color Palette. I will select second color, which is red. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Here is color palette between red and light red. Choose green and light green. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Here is palette between green and light green. Now I will choose blue color. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Last I choose random colors. Cyan and red. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Here is palette between cyan and red. This is a way we create colors palette in Illustrator. I will tell in detail. Going to delete this colors palette. Pick ellipse tool. Press Shift and draw a circle. Choose red color for this circle. Press Alt and make a duplicate copy. Move this copy on right side. And change its color to blue. I will create palette between red and blue. Pick selection tool and select both colors. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Here is palette between red and blue. Same, if I will choose any other color. Suppose I choose black color. Make duplicate copy by pressing Alt. And move it on right side. I will choose green color. Pick selection tool and select both colors. Go to Object, Blend and click on Make. Here is palette between black and green color. This is way we create colors palette in Adobe Illustrator. If you like video, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.